Here in Tennessee, judges have struck down 2 gun laws after ruling them unconstitutional.
They say they violated the Second Amendment and found the intent to go armed statute too broad for police to enforce. Catherine Vaughn spoke with the attorney behind that and tells us what it means for our residents.
Until now, it was illegal to openly carry a firearm in Tennessee's parks, like this one. But that's since changed after a court ruling struck down state law, saying it was unconstitutional. A 3-judge panel in Gibson County struck down 2 state laws on Friday, a decision that's been more than 2 years in the making.
They violate the Tennessee Constitution, they violate the Second Amendment, they violate actually the 14th Amendment.
The first made it illegal to carry a firearm in public parks, which, after last week's court ruling, is now allowed. The second change involves a statute called intent to go armed, and its implications have sparked debate for years. The original law basically allowed officers to stop anyone they observe with a gun and arrest them with a charge of intent.
As written, it applies at all times, at all places within the state. It applies on public property. It also applies on private property, including your home, your personal residence, or your place of business.
It's kind of like driving with a license.
You can't just arbitrarily stop them to check to see if they have a driver's license.
That's why some push back against the law.
A law that is that broad, that sweeps so extensively as to make it a crime in all places at all times, is constitutionally void.
The overturning of that law eliminates that issue while protecting constitutional rights.
And it would establish a policy, like many other states have, that it's simply not a crime to carry a firearm for offensive or defensive purposes.
Now it's up to Tennessee Governor Bill Lee to determine what to do next. The state has 30 days to appeal. For Local 3 News, I'm Catherine Vaughn.